November the 16th. It's an A day.
Today's lunch choices are Taste Test Thursday, grilled buffalo chicken, salad with flatbread, buffalo chicken, mac and cheese
Oh my
with
God.
warm
Jack, it
breadsticks,
is
new,
stifling.
Eisenberg mini hot dogs and mini buns, black bean salad.
Tomorrow is Hawaiian Day, the last day of Spirit Week.
6th and 8th grade volleyball tryouts are tomorrow.
Falcon Players auditions for Ghost Chasers and Sleep Study are today and tomorrow. Details are at drama.com, www.drama.com. Bye, Rakusa. Bye, I gotta go find what I'm doing with my life. Women